Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1966 UK right-hand drive Austin Healey 3000 BJ8. Come to us from the current owner, who's had the car for over 20 years. Don't have loads of history for the car. It has been to Rules Motorsport in the not too distant past for a few jobs, and previously to our friends at Yattenden Garage, where they did some work on the front suspension. We've done a little bit of work recently to recommission the car to get it up and running, which you can probably hear it's doing quite happily now. Car performed really well on test. It's quite a lively thing. Starts relatively easily. Just give you a quick walk around the bodywork. Car must have been restored in the past. It's holding up very well. All the chrome work is good. Apologies about the light reflection. It's quite sunny today, unusually. Fitted with chrome wire wheels. Spokes could do a little bit of attention, but overall they're pretty good. Sort of Goodyear Eagle NCT 70s all round. As I say, bodywork is holding up pretty well. It is an older restoration, so there are a couple of marks. A little bit of chip there on the bonnet. Probably can't see, there's a little bit of a sink mark there in the bonnet. A couple of marks there on the boot lid. Give you a quick look at the interior. I'm assuming it's been retrimmed at some point in the past. I do apologise, car's not been valeted yet, but wanted to give you a first taste of what the car's like. It's ticking over quite happily. Oil pressure's good, temperature's good. Mileage is showing it's 8,600. Can't imagine that's the first time round. Just give you a look at the engine bay. Just have to put the phone down a moment. As I say, ticking over quite happily. Again, car's not been valeted. The engine bay will get steamed off after delivery, plus the service, but no apparent oil leaks. Everything seems to be in a healthy state of tune, and it pulls like a train. So there we have it. Rare example, Austin Healey 3000 Mark III. Very desirable car, nice London registration number. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks for watching.